Hello guys and welcome back to my channel where we make simple meals using ingredients you already have. Yo guys, lana bengenza focaccia and for me it was a fail. I was happy with my dough and the texture. I followed all the steps. I-problem ngisebenzise i-casserole dish e-deep, so iphume i-huge nje and i-deep kakhulu. I think inhlama yami bekufanele at least ngiyihlukanise kabili, ngibhake twice so that kuzophuma ama-focaccia awu-2, but I was really exhausted ngamane ngayifaka yonke. Then mayiphuma I wasn't happy with the texture at all, but it was really tasty. So this is a redo. Sizoyiqala phansi le video siyenze kabusha from scratch. Guys, thank you for watching and give me some tips how you make your focaccia. Thank you for watching and please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment. Toodles!